Unlock the secret to a scroll-stopping Instagram feed with the power of Lightroom. Today, we're diving into how to transform your everyday photos into visually stunning and consistent images perfect for your Instagram. First, let's open Lightroom and import the photo you want to edit. We'll start by adjusting the light settings, increase the exposure slightly to brighten your image. Then play with the contrast to a depth. Don't be afraid to pull down the highlights and blacks to recover detail in bright and dark areas. Next, move to the color panel. Here's where you can really define your aesthetic. Adjust the white balance using the temperature and tint sliders to set the overall mood. Increase vibrance to make muted colors pop, and saturation for a bolder look, but be careful not to overdo it. A pro tip for consistent branding is to use the Mix tool within the color panel. This allows you to individually adjust the hue, saturation, and luminance of each color. For example, if you want your greens to be more teal or your reds to be deeper, this is where you do it. Now, let's add some effects. Texture can bring out subtle details, while clarity adds a bit more punch to your image. The haze is fantastic for clearing up blurry or hazy shots, and for a classic touch, add a subtle vignette to draw the eye to the center. Finally, let's crop your image for Instagram. The 4:5 aspect ratio is often ideal as it takes up more screen space. Frame your subject thoughtfully to create a compelling composition. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can create professional grade edits that will make your Instagram feed truly shine. Don't forget to save and share your masterpiece. Your scroll-stopping feed awaits.